Hey guys, welcome to Appalachia's Homestead. Look where we're headed. That's right, we are all the way into the national park. We have come all the way into Weir's Valley. We have come all the way back up on top of the mountain, and I'm telling you, it's a haul. Right now, I want to show you where we're at. We're at the Little Greenbrier School, which is the first stop that you're going to see, and I've got some footage of it. It's dark inside. The school was built in the late 1800s, as you can see. I believe it was 1882, and this was the schoolhouse for this area, okay? So I'm just making sure we can see everything before it gets too dark. Back here, you have, of course, the cemetery. Okay, so here's a hint. If you come to the Walker sisters' house, do not, hang on Gabe, you're gonna park at the Greenbrier School that I just showed you. But the path itself is up before the school. You don't go behind the school. So you're actually here, and it is 1.1 miles. So you're gonna park at the school. You can see the school down there, but the cabin is up in front of you, okay? Helpful hint, just so you know, because there's not a lot of signs out here. But you will see this sign right here. We're going. All right, guys, so we're about halfway there. 1.1 miles. It's gravel, and you're hanging off the cliff a little bit, but that's okay. Clearly, it's about a one car situation. The road is closed. So we're the only ones up here that we know of. We had some folks come down the mountain, and we're talking about it. They were from Arkansas, so they were visiting out here in the park. So we're getting there. We're getting there. All right, guys, you come around the corner, and this is what you begin to see. And this is the home of the Walker sisters. And I'm going to tell you about them briefly and recommend a book for you that I've recommended multiple times on my channel, on my blog, on my forum, in my group. I've given it away as giveaways multiple times. Let's walk up here. See, I'm trying to not move the camera too much and just have you scroll. We'll come back and look at everything, but I just want to show you what it looks like as you come right upon it. How amazing is that? All right, guys, we made our hike to the home of the Walker sisters. If you're not from East Tennessee, or if you've not heard about this, or if you've been to the Smoky Mountains, this is the book I'm telling you need to get, even if you have. Easy to read. You will read it probably in 2 days. I have read this as part of my homeschool curriculum. It is absolutely fantastic, okay? If you really want to know the life of Appalachian folk, probably a lot of what your great-great-great-great-grandparents really did, this is going to be the book to bring it home for you. This is unique because it's about a particular family from this area. And let me read to you a little bit about it so you get an idea. Okay, so you can see all the sisters there, and it tells you about the history of the family, all the things that were done in this area, gives you an insight to Appalachia, and particularly 5 sisters refused to sell their property when the Great Smoky Mountains National Park was established. These courageous women remained on their farm in the Smoky Mountains until the last sister died in 1964. they lived like this, okay? They were well known to locals and tourists who came to see them working their fields, making their clothes, and preserving their foods. Their strength inspired many. The Walker sisters, spirited women of the Smokies, describes how they and other local residents lived their lives before the time of cell phones, televisions, and computers. Grab this book. I've read it twice. I'm probably going to be opening it up again now that we're finally here. So if you look up the Walker sisters online and in Google, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see this home. So let's take you around and let's show you. And it's going to bring life to this book right here. So let's check it out. All right, let's go in. Let's take you to the porch. Okay, so we're going to go in this room next. It's big. Look. Pretty spacious. Oh, wow. Nick, are you upstairs? Mm-hmm. Is this how you got up? All right, I'm coming up. We're going to go upstairs. All right, so I'm hanging on the ladder here, and you can see around. Are those horseshoes as hinges on the door, Nicholas? Mm-hmm. All right, we're going to go over to the window. I'm going to have to put the phone down so I don't fall down the ladder. So here we are by the very large chimney, and in this room what we've been showing you is the remnants of the newspapers that are on the walls. And I'm trying to show you up into the chimneys, so let's hope that worked out as well. Let's run outside and see what it looks like. All right, guys, we're going to make our hike back. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this. We're so glad to make it out today. It's been a beautiful day. Be sure to check that book out. I'm telling you, it would be great for you to read. It would be great for your children. It's fascinating. Gives you a real good insight. The link is below. And always think about coming to East Tennessee. We have so much to offer. So much history, so much beauty. It's just waiting on you. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. We'll talk to you soon. We're going to go get some barbecue. Y'all have a great day.